Good morning and welcome to this indie game development devlog. My name is Toby Preacher from indie-games.dev. I'm working on a game called Oh My Zombie, and today I'm gonna continue on the inventory system I am working on. I have it open up right here, and before I continue, let's jump right into my to-do list, and I want to find a solution for selecting an item underneath the UI recipe. What do I mean by that? Well, let's jump right into it. Open up the inventory, and when I hover over a item that can be used in a crafting recipe, this recipe UI shows up and shows me this is the item I can craft with it, and there are the two items that are needed for crafting this heart shield. So now I have a problem. If I want to click this item underneath to swap it over into this crafting slot, I can't do it here. It's not reacting. I have to move out of the UI here, and then I can click. This is not working, this is working. So let me show again. If I click here where the overlay is, it's not working. Here it's working. So I want to fix that, and for this, let me see, I think I have it in the UI item holder script. Let's open it up. I think there is the trigger actually. Let me see. We got it on pointer enter and handle mouse enter item holder for displaying craftable recipes, and that's exactly the part I am searching for. Let's clean up that. Okay, let's see, what do we have here? I'm searching the crafting system for such recipes for item. UI recipe game object set active to true, and UI recipe show recipes for item. So this is so it's defined in the UI recipe. Where is my UI recipe? There it is. I get in here, and let me see. On void start. There is some line of code where I am setting the position, and I want to set the position in a way that is always showing up on this side, so I have enough room to click here. That's what I want to do. Show recipes for item. Rect transform utility. Adjust the position of the window to the mouse position. This is what I want. Screen pointer local rectangle. Parent rect transform. And here's the input mouse position I'm using. Well, I don't think I want to use the input mouse position. Parent rect transform. What is the parent rect transform? Transforms get a component. Parent. What is the parent transform? Let me see real quick. Canvas UI recipe. Then okay, it's the transform, the rect transform of the canvas. That's not what I'm looking for. Let me see, I think I have an idea. Maybe I can use, instead of input mouse position, I could use some kind of, can I use input dot, is there a raycast? Current. Let me see, input. There is the input mouse position. I'm searching for some kind of raycast functionality or something that can give me the object I am hovering over. Or maybe I can do something else, like, let me leave the mouse position here when I am in the UI item holder. Item types, show recipes for item types. I could change the function call, and I could give the transform or the rect transform of the current object. What kind of, this is a vector 3, vector 2 screen point. Okay, I need a vector 2, a vector 2. So let me change this. Vector 2 how will I call it? Item holder position. Item holder position. Okay. Then let's get over here, and we need to give him a vector 2. Let me think. This could be a new vector 2, and then transform that position dot x and transform that position dot y. There's our vector 2, and something ain't right. Yeah, we're missing a parenthesis. There we go. Okay, I'm giving the actual transform position of this object, and I go back in here, item holder position, and I replace the input mouse position with the item holder position. Okay, let's try it out. Oh wow. Okay, that is not working. That is definitely not working. Oh, and I get some errors. Let me see. Failed on expression. What does that mean? What? Oh, this. Wait a second. This is because I closed it. Let me see. Okay, no errors here, but just the position is not getting adjusted. Okay. Let me see. I want to have a item holder. This is the item holder, and maybe I need the rect transform position. UI recipe. Or I need the rect transform. No. No. I don't need that. What I need is from the UI inventory. I need the position of this one. And that one. UI item holders, UI inventory. Oh my gosh. This is getting complicated. Rect transform. Maybe I need a component from the rect transform. Particular of the item holder. I have a rect transform here. UI item holder. Whoa, not item holder position, rect transform. Rect transform dot position. Well, let's try this one. I'm just guessing here. Maybe I have to do a Google search. Yeah. Okay, this is not working. Or is there some kind of function? Rect transform dot what is it? A local position? Is it a local position? Is that right? I don't know. Oh. Okay, I'm getting some kind of results, but not the results I want to have. But we're getting closer. Okay, it's not the local position. So let me see. Maybe the anchored position. The position of the pivot of this rect transform relative to the anchor reference point. Let's give it a try. Nope. Oh, god damn it. I hate Googling on that stuff. La, 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 da, da, da. Maybe it's just rect transform position. What is rect transform position? The world space position of the transform. That sounds good. I think I want to have it in the world space. Go. Oh god damn it, this can't be real. What the heck? Why is this so complicated? Where's the item holder with 0, 0? I think I can't use that. Maybe I need the parent, which is this. And the parent The parent is crap. And the position of this one is crap too. And then I get the canvas. Oh, holy shit. Rect trans from utility screen point to local point in rectangle. Vector to screen point. Screen point. Let me search Unity. Screen point. From rect transform. Rect transform to screen pane. Local point. Well, local point direct transform. I needed twisted, inversive. This is not what I'm searching for. Okay, guys, I see my time's up. I have to go to my main job, so I see you tomorrow. I thank you for watching, and we will continue this. Thank you, guys. You're awesome. See you tomorrow.